Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's that time of the month again. A new Heroes Battlegrounds update. This time, releasing Iida to the public, and bringing us a new character in the form of Overhaul. Now today, I just wanted to go over their moveset changes and the things that they added, because I literally just did a video on Iida, and Overhaul only has 2 moves right now. Alright, I got the dummy low, let's see the first move. I'm ass. Okay. Guys, my stupid ass went for the finisher first. Let me show you the real move. Hold on. So here it is. Okay. Alright, pulls out the blick. Now here's finisher. Damn. Damn. Okay. Damn. Okay. Now for the second move. Okay, so we just dunk on his ass. Kind of mid, to be honest. Now for the finisher. Alright, let's see. Okay, so we just encased him in concrete. So the move and the finisher are mid. Now for Iida, and even though I don't like the character, this is what I've been personally waiting for. Alright, so let's pop ult. Alright, let's see what this fourth move is talking about. Damn. Okay, cutscene! Damn! Damn! Oh my god! That shit was crazy! What the fuck? Finisher. Here we go. Damn! 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 Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god. This shit's not done. Holy shit! Holy. Okay, so that was the update, and honestly, it was pretty good. All things considered, Heroes has been cooking lately, and... Wait, what the fuck? What the fuck? Ah! Wait, what the fuck? Wait, what?
Oh wow, the movement. Oh shit!
Okay, yeah, go fly.
No! Please. No! You hit the pillar! You hit the pillar and knocked me out of it! What is this? You!
Gun!
No! No!
Yeah, get gun finisher, boy!
No!
I just finished with gun? What was that?
Wait, I'm floating upwards! Please, I need this. Please, I need this!
Dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Shit on, get good.
Just leave.
Please, no,
Yeah.
no!
Look behind you. I don't wanna alarm you.
We should get moving.
You should.
Oh! We're crazy! We're insane! Holy shit! Man, I wonder who that is. What the fuck? Holy shit! Wait, the dummy's planking! Training! Come on, I know it'll help. I missed. Fuck.
Guys.
Thanks, man. I really appreciate it. Ah! Ah!